Welcome to the first video of technology news. Today our topic is voice mobile, virtual screen, drone phone, what's technology power. Let's begin. And the first topic is why is mobile? Martin Popper made mobile to call, but nowadays mobile seems better than Alpha 3 or satellite. Using mobile is important because we had to change our society respectfully world and time. All users watching me, I just wanted guys that you all were having a mobile phone probably see, but mobile phone can also change your life. If you participate in developers, making YouTube videos, paying by paid surveys, and getting a job by internet, it's a good idea. You must have a mobile phone. You already have a mobile phone, but mobile phone is really much important than you think. Mobile something has changed the world totally. I promise you that one day mobile phone also be changed. Let's move with our next topic. Is visual story. Means that is the future concept. Future concept that you will feel amazed if you stop using mobile and just move your hand, move your eye, do something. Will you like it? Yeah, you will surely like it. But throw your laptop, throw your mobile, and just have a glow and do anything you want to do anywhere. But it's a concept, a future concept. And it will surely change the world, totally change the world. Mobile phones, laptop, ADC, every electronic device will mostly change. But it's just a concept from 8 June 2014. The most interesting topic, drone phone. LG, yeah, carefully think that LG is launching a drone phone. Means this can fly so high with two propellers and take 360 photos with it. It has, oh no, I had 360 camera, but 230 megapixel camera and 12 sensors camera and a flashlight of 8397. Oh, waterproof, superpower, wireless charging, and a lot to do. It can become the future of mobiles. I love it. I also like fighting, but Oppo got made like LG, so LG's U Plus means that drone phone. I'm coming. Stay updated with us for its news. And a final topic means technology power. You might know, you might don't know, but the power of technology. That if a satellite can capture you even if you are bathing, yes, it can capture you what? Take a full video. Technology can destroy the world in few days. Maybe. Yeah, yeah. So be aware of technology power. Anything, anything. Yeah, anything can be done. And me, the Bonsai, the CEO of World Present Production, say thanks for watching. You all will support us. We will make more videos. This video is licensed and published under the guidance of World Present Production, our internet company by Priyanshu Agarwal.